It is super important that you guys understand the correct information about trademarking. So if you have not heard, there's an older gentleman by the name of Mr. Tenderism, they call him. I believe his real name is Walt. And then there's a restaurant and they're disputing over the word tenderism, okay? And so an attorney has filed on Mr. Tenderism's behalf for the trademark, but the restaurant has also filed for tenderism. I want to clarify a few things that I am seeing right now. First of all, nobody owns it as of yet. Just because you guys see them filing for it, that does not mean that they own it. So just look on the USPTO website for yourselves. You can see that next to the word status, it says live. When you see the word live, that simply means that someone registered for the trademark, but it does not mean that it has been examined, approved, or denied. Right now, all of those applications are pending. Next to the word live, it says pending on all of them. So nobody owns those trademarks right now. So I wanted to clarify that because I see a lot of people saying that he owns it or the restaurant owns it. No one owns it yet, okay? Next to the word live, you want to see the word registered. Register is going to be highlighted in green. That's when you know that it has been approved for trademark. To give you an idea of how this works, you're going to file an application or your attorney, and this is kind of the situation now because a lot of people are saying, well, such and such owns it, or such and such name is on it, or this person does not own it. I want to clarify, the person who is filing may not necessarily be the owner. So in other words, I hire a trademark attorney. The trademark attorney is the person who filed my trademarks. However, in the space where it says owner, it is my name. So that's what you guys are seeing. You're seeing that the attorney filed the trademark on Mr. Walt's behalf, and then Mr. Walt in turn would be the actual owner of the trademark if it gets approved. As of right now, nothing has been examined. You guys could click on the actual name tenderism. It will show you the status of the application, and it says it is waiting to be examined by a trademark attorney. So nothing has been done yet. Trademarking takes a while. It's going to take about a year. It is not something that happens right away. So when you guys see people filing these trademark applications and it says it's live, that just simply means that they filed it. It's still waiting to be approved or denied. And in this situation, it could go different ways. One application could be approved. Somebody else's could be denied. Both could be denied, but both won't be approved. So let's make that clear. Both cannot be approved. One could be denied, one could be approved, or both can be denied. Those are all the scenarios in this situation. So we got to kind of just wait it out and see what happens. I just want to tell you guys who are looking into trademarking, please be careful about putting out too much information too soon. If you have not trademarked your name, your brand, your logo, do not put it out to the public, okay? If you are going to be using it for e-commerce, such as myself, I own a boutique, you can put it on your website. It is suggested that you actually put it on your website, but don't be out here making it all public that you're using it, okay? Because again, you do not own it until it is approved. So you don't want anybody to take your ideas, take your names, take your brands, or any of those things. Make sure you are also trademarking not just the name. This is so important. Trademark your logos as well. Somebody could take your logo, not necessarily the name, but if you made up a logo or you had a graphic artist make up a logo for you, someone can copy that logo. So when you file your trademarking or your trademark attorney files your trademark, make sure they are trademarking the business name and the logo together on the same application. That protects both of them. Also, another tip. If you hire a graphic artist to make your logo for you, and this is for anybody who's already in business, have a trademark, don't have a trademark. If you paid someone to make a graphic or a logo for your business, they own that graphic or logo until they sign over copyrights. A lot of people don't know this, but if you make it big and make a lot of money, guess what? That graphic artist or whoever designed it for you can come back and sue you for some of your money. You want to make sure you get the copyright transfer agreement signed, notarized, and you file it with the Copyright Office. Okay? I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.